Hi, I'm Brian here, and I'd like to give you a walk around of November 767 Zulu. It's a 1978 421C. I'm going to show you the exterior of this aircraft. We can start with the paint. So it has a two-stage, four-color paint job. Black, silver base on everything, and then we've got a blue and a dark blue layered on top. It's PPG paint, very high quality. You can just see how shiny the paint is. It has new boots. I believe they were installed in 2023. See, the windows are in good shape on this aircraft. Also, you can see it has a VG kit with increased gross weight. It has all of the fuel lockers. It's got both sides plus one up front. It has factory AC on the other side, so 262 gallons total. Again, new boots. You can just see with these, like, the level of detail on the paint job. Really high quality. We can look underneath, and usually the gear is a tell also of the paint. You can see they did paint the gear, did a really nice job, and they painted the gear wells, which is something you don't always see. A lot of work on that paint job. Both props are about 300 since overhaul. I think the left engine is in the 600 range since overhaul, and the right is in the 800 range. Low time engines. The total airframe time is, I think, around 4,200 hours. So very low time. This is a no damage history, complete logs. It does have the heated windshield. It's inner wing boots as well. It's a known ice aircraft. And nice nose wheel paint, and even in the nose bay. So one of the things I like about this airplane, you can see how it looks in different light. This side's in direct sunlight, and it's just really bright and vibrant. And then the other side, you can see the shadow side just has a lot more contrast to it. So on different days, this plane's going to look different on the ramp. You can see as part of the VG kit here, again, boots, more of the paint detail that's going on with this airplane. We'll have a look underneath here. Very clean underside. We just took this on a cross country from Fort Lauderdale to Michigan. I have not cleaned up anything underneath, so you can see no oil, no fuel stains. And those brand new shiny boots. Now you can see the landing light is partially retracted. That is a squawk from our last flight. We'll be taking care of that before the plane goes home with anybody. This aircraft also has the STOL kit. It's a Robinson Stoll. It allows you to have a lower departure and arrival speed and shorter runways. Now, we do have a set of the factory flaps and equipment if somebody wants to convert away from the Stoll. However, I really like the Stoll kit. Adds a lot of utility to the 421C, shorter runways and safer approach speeds. That's basically it. I'll make another video, show you the inside of this aircraft.